Hi, it's Moochie and welcome to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this popsicle plushie. No joke, this plushie is really easy and simple to make. I think it's great for any beginner, and if you're not a beginner, hey, it's still a super cute plushie. Also, I thought this video was perfect for the summer. I mean, who doesn't love a popsicle on a hot summer day, or honestly any day for that matter? You can make your popsicle plushie any color that you want. I made an orange, strawberry, and blueberry popsicle, and then I'm going to be making a grape one in this tutorial. I'll be putting black plastic safety eyes onto my plushie, but if you don't have them, you most certainly don't need them to be able to make the plush. Just take some black material, cut out 2 circles, and glue or sew them onto the plush instead. So without further ado, let's get into this video. you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you like plushie tutorials like this, be sure to go check out my channel. My channel is filled with so many plushie tutorials, and all my tutorials come with free templates. I try to upload at least once every other week, so there are so many more plushie tutorials to come. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you all have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one.